So what's up, y'all? Guys, today what I want to talk about, also thank you for coming back to the channel, is really what you need to cultivate an audience when it comes to building an acquisition team, especially if you're going to implement a lot of cold callers into your business, right? Whether you're hiring virtual assistants or you're running an in-house office. We talk a lot about VAs on the channel and you cold calling. But what if you're watching this right now and you're trying to really create your own office, your own culture, your own synergy, and really just lead a whole fucking team? And so guys, I want to show y'all what's up with what we got in my office here at Infinity Cash Offer. So I'll catch y'all after the intro. Let's check this out.
You see the leaves fall off, you thought the family tree would die, but these roots run deep below ground zero, that's the vibes. This never dies. No one knows how this all started, they just see us flex online. You play chess, we built the chessboard, every move you make is mine. And I know that's hard to hear, but that's what got us here. I got too much paper in my phone, that's facts, they just can't leave me.
Texas gang gang. Guys, welcome back. This is my sales floor. This is where a lot of the magic happens. I got a couple of my guys here. Some of my other dudes are on appointments, right? But what I'm gonna talk about is how you're able to create a healthy culture with the individuals that you have in your office on a day-to-day basis so that they stay motivated. Everybody here starts closing deals and we're able to do a lot of different things. So as y'all can see, I have my weight set in here. I love to work out. Lately, guys, that's all I've been focusing on. And I wanted to be able to give this to my team. You know, there's nothing but dudes here. I hate to say it. There's no females in this building. All of our females are Filipino and they're in another country, so it is what it is. But this right here, man, is what I love. And you know, just having that there for my team is literally everything. So I want to start off, guys, with the whiteboard here and kind of give you guys an idea of what we do. So we have this game that we play. For a healthy cold calling culture, for your team to actually close more deals, it's imperative that there's a tally system involved where they're able to actually make offers and really just, you know, dominate their day. So we track how many offers that they make, right? And then their total is brought up here. And from Monday through Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, everybody here is pretty much competing to see who can make the most offers. And guys, you know, there's a little cash prize at the end of it. We have this thing here. It's called the game. You lost the game. How does it feel to suck? Should have been faster. Where we play the objection game, you know, and so we put money into this thing, and whenever somebody's doing, you know, the objection game, if they don't get it wrong, I did a whole video on this, by the way. If you're trying to get into overcoming objections, click the little link above my head, and that'll be a good reference for y'all. The next thing that you guys need is to make sure that you have your quotas visual. I'm very big on visualization. It's not enough to just say that this is what you must do and these are the quotas that you should hit. 1000% we have ours here on the board. These are Infinity Cash Offer quotas. If you're an acquisition, we expect 50 sales calls a day, 50 offers a week, 3 contracts a week, 5 closings a month. Now guys, that right there is pretty damn huge, no lie. But when you're doing big volume and you have the type of marketing that we're dishing out on a month-to-month basis, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Those KPIs are built off of what our company does, okay? So you may not be starting there right now, but the point is to build up to it. You know, even if your goal is to make 5 sales calls one day and in one day you also do one offer and then possibly send out 3 contracts a week versus a day, or 2 contracts a week. Maybe you'll get 1 to 2 closings a month. It's imperative that you reverse engineer the shit out of this process, know what the end goal is, right? And then understand how to build to it gradually. You don't start at 250 pounds on a bench. You work your way up from where you're at, right? And you go up in intervals of 2.5% at a time. That's how I increased my bench. And so guys, look at your business the same way, okay? Now over here, we have our 4 exit strategies that we use on a day-to-day basis. These right here is our gold mine, man. Whenever our guys are making offers, I want it so no matter what, they understand exactly what it is that they're going to do, how they're going to do it, and what we offer here is a product. So we offer cash. If they owe money on the property and it's like a no equity deal, then we offer subject to. If they own the property outright and they're asking retail, then we offer creative finance. If all 3 options are out the window, then the 4th thing that we do, guys, is we go ahead and we tell them, hey man, we'll just fucking list it, right? So guys, you know, all of our team here, everybody's operating off of a gaming rig. That's my man Jose. Jose, say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Let them know what you do, man. If you're cool with that. If you're cool with it.
Like on the sales floor?
Yeah, let them know what's up.
Well, we make the calls, we find the leads, we do cold calling, we SMS blasts, we look up county records, we look up if they owe taxes, and we run comps here.
That's how he does it, man. So Jose, his whole job is to find motivated sellers, close them, get them under contract. You know, so guys, that's the company culture right there. If you don't have the tools equipped with your team so that they can be effective, then they're never going to get deals on contract. I got my man Josh right over here too. Josh, within his first couple of weeks of being here, how many contracts you got?
2.
2. 2 contracts, and that's how we do it, man. And that's pretty damn cool. You know, that happens a lot. I had 2 16-year-old kids that were working here at one time that were able to close their first deal. Now, there's 3 things in a business when it comes to creating positive culture that you need to make sure that you're implementing on a day-to-day basis, right? And these 3 things are clarity, simplicity, and alignment. When you have these 3 things, you're able to fucking have massive vision in your business. Meaning, like, you're not gonna see 5 years in the future, but you can see 5 inches in front of you. And sometimes that's the most important thing. So, clarity. Clarity is, no matter what's going on, these guys know exactly what they're supposed to be doing. They know their job. The scope of work has been outlined. They understand the tools. They understand everything, right? When we all have clarity, then there's no question what it is that we do when we get here. The second thing is simplicity. Is it easy to work here? Guys, is it easy to work here?
Very easy.
Is it?
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
It is, but it's easy and it's fun. Would you rather flip burgers?
No.
Fuck that, right? We're never going back to that. Most of our other team is out right now. I think Charles is looking at a property. Lewis is looking at a house. My brother is probably in the shitter right now. My brother's the one who oversees the floor. So we like to keep things very simple here. If you have a process, you need to simplify it so that even a 16-year-old kid can work at your office. And then the third one is alignment, man. Everybody in here, we're all seen as equals. No one's better than anyone else. We're all equally strong. We're all equally capable. God gave us the same blood, gave us the same beating heart, gave us the same fucking organs. And because of that, we're able to operate as a unit. So I want to talk about some of the things that we use in our business, man. Let's go ahead and take a look at this computer real quick. So this is my brother's area, and these are some of the properties that we're currently looking at. So guys, a must is have Podio. We love Podio. It integrates with literally everything that we got. Just by going to the workspace that we have for our company, I mean, we literally track everything in our business from here. We have multiple agents that are logged into this that are working, and this is beast mode. The next thing that we have here, we're using Propelio to run comps. We also use PropStream. You know, our guys have access to the tax assessor collector. They're using the appraisal district. Emails are open, coordinating new acquisitions and different properties that we're currently working on. On top of that, man, we're using REI Sift, and this is how we're able to track and manage our data. So guys, you know, a couple of things that I would recommend. These are the must-haves that you should have in your business, okay? Call tools, is the motherfucking GOAT. I've been using call tools for 3 years now. It's a dialer and it's never failed me. Now, if you're doing massive amounts of cold calling, I highly recommend that you use call tools. If you're gonna be calling 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 leads, call tools is gonna be a fat bet for what it is that you're doing. Now, if you're trying to niche down on your list, understand when you're using a power dialer, you're gonna be blasting through data. But there's still those niche categories in those leads that you can really narrow down on. So we use call tools for mass marketing, and we use air call for single line dialing to niche down on, let's say 15, 20 specific leads that we're 1000% sure of. So guys, if you're trying to run an office, you need a database. A CRM is imperative. You need to make sure that these quotas are drawn out and you've reverse engineered the process. Ain't nobody gonna work for you, dude, if you don't have your fucking shit together, and if you can't even tell them what their scope of work is or what their responsibilities are. Have a standard operating procedure in place. The next thing as well is make sure you have the tools and you invest into the correct tools so that people can be successful working with you. Ask yourself this, if you're watching this, can people really make money working at your business? And if you can't answer that question, you probably shouldn't be building a team yet. So guys, calltools.com/groundzero. I'll drop the link for that in the comment section below. Make sure that you also have access to some type of CRM. Anything that you can think of. I have one that I recommend called Beast Mode. That's what I use. And then a comping tool. That's probably going to be the next thing that you can utilize in your business. Other than that, standard operating procedure, quotas, all that good stuff. So guys, I hope y'all got value from this. Maybe I can go into deep detail on this stuff. As always, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. And click on one of these other videos that I recommend for you. And keep watching this channel because I got tons of content coming out. I'll see y'all in the next video.